Two men approached by car and loaded what looked like a television package into the trunk of their car. The man jumped into the trunk so we could move quickly and just left.
Where are you going? Gotta put it down. On the plate right now.
This woman is a bit strange. She steals with a cigarette in her mouth, but why is she stealing a tree? What kind of needs might she have? Didn't Santa Claus normally come through the chimney? Now he comes through the door and gives his gifts.
This must be Duke and Navy's house. They been good? I've got a couple of little presents just before Christmas, but I need you to promise me that you're going to be very good for Mummy and Daddy. Is that right? I'm going to leave them outside here, but you need to go to bed on time, okay? For me to bring all the other presents. Is that okay? Make sure you're good. Okay, I'll leave them out here, but you need to be very good. Okay. Rudolph. Shh. Rudolph's being noisy, okay? Bye-bye. Be good. Okay, for Mummy and Daddy.
I wonder what he saw enough to break the car window. And they leave as if nothing happened. I'm amazed. I don't quite understand what's going on here. I think she didn't have the brakes on, and she suddenly entered the garden of the house in reverse, broke the fence completely, and the door of her car was probably broken.
What the
Be very careful in such robberies, in such a situation. Call the police immediately because they have guns in their hands.
Don't even move. Don't even move. I'll see you. Don't move. Don't even move.
Here they break down the door and the landlord is probably arguing with the men in front of
Don't
them.
move. No cap. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. What the f*** wrong with you? Lay down.
Lay your arms out. Lay your arms. Lay your arms out. Move your arms out. Move them out.
Dogs also started stealing cargo. He probably lost control of the steering wheel due to the snow, but I wish he hadn't run away. Owl is a very beautiful animal. Isn't it a very noble animal? Isn't it enormously big? It's bigger than the car. I have never seen such a moose. The young people in this car were disturbed by something, but I did not understand exactly what they were disturbed by. I wonder if it was because of the Christmas theme. What's the point of drinking so much? Luckily, at least he fell on the grass and lay there until the morning. I don't understand the purpose of these wires, but when the woman cannot move her legs at the end, she falls and says nice words.
You did it!
She tries to return from here in the opposite direction, but she goes and crashes into the car and doesn't even notice. They make a lot of noise at night to steal. Most likely they are waiting inside because they are in a fight with someone, not because of robbery. Here he tries to steal the landlord's grocery cart, but the landlord tells him to come out and bring it, and the man doesn't run away and brings it.
Hey, bring that back. I don't care if you need it or not, we need it too.
I got another one right here.
Well, then you only need that one.
The homeowner's neighbor is disturbed by this camera, so he arranges a ladder and equipment and tries to dismantle the camera. A man who takes his dog outside to go to the toilet is confronted by his neighbor's dog, and the dogs get into a fight. Fortunately, the dogs don't attack each other that much, and the man immediately lets him in.